What's up guys, Jake here again, and on today's episode we'll be upgrading the sound system on the 3rd Gen Tacoma with throwing in some subwoofers on the stock head unit. Stay tuned. First order of business is to remove the storage panels on the back of the truck. Did throw some stuff back there, but we're going to remove these, throw some sound deadening up, and then get the sub box in. Once you got the back seats out, you can move on to the back storage panels. This is a fairly simple process. There's 3 10mm bolts on this first guy, and we'll get them on out. Same idea on this side. We've got 3 10mm bolts that we'll pull out to get the storage unit right on out. Day 2, I installed the kill mat sound deadening in the back of the truck, so now we're going to work on installing the wires, the wiring kit from the battery all the way back to the subs. You're going to want to run all of your wires through the firewall right over here so you can get it all the way back to the subwoofer cleanly. Once you got the wiring going, you can hide it underneath where you step up. Next, when it comes time to wire your RCAs to your stock head unit, you're going to need this adapter, which I will list below, which has your RCA cables, and then that's where you connect your amplifier. This pops off to get you to the radio, and there's 4, I believe they're 10mm screws, bolts, to take off the head unit and get to where you need to plug in your RCAs. Once you've got the old connector out and you put the new connector in, you can then plug in your RCAs and your amp power. As far as grounding back here, we're gonna take the seat belt bolt out, and we're going to grind down it to bare metal and then throw the ground through there and then bolt it back up. Once you've grinded that away, you can connect your ground and your seatbelt back together. Excuse the mess, but we got the subs in, got the amplifier all hooked up. Got to figure out how we want to tune it next, but we're going to mount the amplifier in the middle right there, get the seats back on, and get everything up and going. Well, we finally got the subs all wired up, everything put back together, so I figured I'd do a little sound test for you guys. So here we go. Well, there you guys have it on the sub install with the stock head unit on a 3rd Gen Tacoma. Hopefully you guys liked that video. I'll link everything that I used below in the comments. So until next time, we'll be wandering.